Hello, quick question for you. Do you ever say, I don't have time, but then you scroll on your phone for 1 hour? Be honest. Today, we will talk about how to use your time better in simple English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Anum. If you are learning English and you feel slow, confused, or tired, this video is for you. Today's topic is use your time better. Graded English Reader improve English fluency. Don't worry, this is not a lecture. This is a friendly talk, like two friends talking about life. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Let me ask you something. How many hours are in one day?
Yes.
24 hours. You have 24 hours. I have 24 hours. Everyone has 24 hours. Rich people,
Poor people.
students, workers. But still, some people learn English fast. Some people don't.
Why?
Is it magic?
No.
Is it talent? Not really.
It is how we use our time.
Let me repeat that.
It is how we use our time.
We all have the same time, but we use it in different ways. Now, let's be honest. Where does your time go? Think about yesterday. You woke up. You checked your phone. Maybe WhatsApp. Maybe YouTube. Maybe Instagram. Just 5 minutes, right? But 5 minutes becomes 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour. Have you felt this?
I have.
We all have. Sometimes we say, I am too busy to learn English. But we're not too busy. We are just busy with other things. And many times, those things are not important. Simple question for you. How many hours do you use your phone every day? 2 hours? 4 hours? More? Think about it. Here is good news for you. You do not need 5 hours a day to learn English.
No.
That is too hard.
You need small time.
Very small time. 10 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. But every day. Let me say it again slowly.
Small time.
Every day. This is better than 2 hours one day and nothing for 1 week. Consistency is more important than long time. Real life example. Let's say you drink tea. 1 cup of tea every day, not 10 cups in 1 day, right? Learning English is the same. Small time plus every day equals big result. Now let's talk about bad time and good time. Bad time does not mean bad like wrong. It means low energy time. For example, when you are very tired, when your eyes hurt, when your mind is not fresh, that time is not good for learning new things. Good time is when your mind is fresh, when you feel calm, when you can focus a little. For many people, good time is morning or late night or after a short rest. You need to find your good time. Simple question. When do you feel most fresh in the day? Morning? Evening? Night? That is your English time. Many learners make one big mistake. They do too many things. They say, I will learn grammar. I will learn speaking. I will learn writing. I will learn everything. Result? Confusion. Stress. No progress. Instead, do one thing. Just one. For example, today, listening only. Tomorrow, speaking only. Next day, reading only. Simple. Your brain likes simple things. Example. Today, your plan, listen to 1 short English story. That's it.
No grammar.
No writing. Just listening. And that is enough. Do one thing at one time. Now listen carefully. This is very important. There is something called dead time. Dead time means time when you are doing nothing. For example, walking, waiting for bus, washing dishes,
Cooking.
lying on bed. This time is gold. You can use this time for English.
How?
Listen to English audio. Repeat simple sentences. Think in English. No book needed. No pen needed.
Just your ears.
Real life example. You are washing dishes. Instead of music, play a simple English story. You are learning without extra time. Amazing, right? Now, let's talk about something emotional.
Fear.
Many people waste time because of fear. Fear of making mistakes, speaking wrong, sounding stupid. So they wait. They say, I will start when my English is perfect. But perfect never comes. Let me tell you a secret. Nobody speaks perfect English. Not me.
Not you.
Not native speakers. Mistakes are part of learning. When you stop fearing mistakes, you save a lot of time. Simple reminder. Mistake equals learning. No mistake equals no growth. Some learners think big words equals good English.
No.
Clear English equals good English. Simple English is powerful. When you use simple words, people understand you. You feel confident. You speak faster.
This saves time.
Because you don't stop and think too much.
Example.
Instead of, I am experiencing difficulty in comprehension, say, I don't understand. Simple.
Clear. Fast.
Simple English saves time and energy. Don't make English a big task. Make it part of life.
For example.
Phone language in English. Think simple thoughts in English. Talk to yourself in English. Like, I am cooking. I am tired. I need water. This is English practice. And it costs 0 time. Light humor. Yes, you can talk to yourself.
Don't worry.
You are not crazy. You are learning. Let me give you a very simple daily plan. Ready? 10 minutes listening. 5 minutes repeating. Think in English during the day. That's it. Total. Only 15 minutes. You can do this. I know you can. Simple question. Can you give 15 minutes to yourself every day? Yes, you can. Please remember this. You are learning. You are trying. You are growing. Some days will be good. Some days will be bad. It's okay. Don't say, I am bad at English. Say, I am learning English. Words are powerful. Be patient. Be kind.
Keep going.
Let's recap quickly. Today we learned we all have the same time. Small time every day is enough. Use dead time. Don't fear mistakes. Simple English is best. If you use your time better, your English will improve. Not tomorrow, but slowly and surely. Now I want to hear from you. Write in the comments. How many minutes a day can you give to English? Be honest. And if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. This helps me, and it helps other learners like you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. Remember, you are not late. You are right on time. This is Anum, signing off. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.